Hello everyone, welcome to Link Frequency and I'm Aishwarya Pattar. This video is part of our new series which mainly focuses on Autosar interview questions. Each part includes 3 Autosar questions along with the answer, which significantly enhances your preparations for the upcoming interviews. So without any further delay, let's begin with part 14 of our Autosar interview questions. Well, we are back to our screen mode where you can see Autosar interview questions part 14 along with the 3 questions represented on the screen. Without any further delay, let's begin with our first question, which states, what is a runnable entity? Well, you can answer to this particular question in the following format. A runnable entity is the smallest schedulable unit of execution within the software component. Runnable entities represent individual pieces of functionality that can be executed independently by the Autosar runtime environment, that is RTE. They are defined within the context of a software component and are associated with specific events or trigger that determines when they should be executed. So this was a short detail about runnable entity. Let's quickly move on to our second question, which states, what are the key characteristics of runnable entities? For this question, you can answer with the 4 key characteristics of runnable entities. The first one is based on schedulability. Runnable entities are scheduled and executed by the RTE based on specific triggers or timing events. The second key characteristic is based on independence. Runnable entities are designed to perform discrete tasks independently, allowing for modular design and execution. The next key characteristic is based on event-driven. Runnable entities can be triggered by various events such as timing events, communication events, or mode switches. The last key characteristic is based on encapsulation of functionality. Runnable entities encapsulate specific pieces of functionality within a software component, thus enabling fine-grained control over the execution of different tasks. Well, this was all about our second question. Now let us quickly jump into our third question, which basically states, what is the relationship between software component and a runnable entity? Well, the relationship between software component and runnable entity is as follows. And software component is a high-level construct that defines a complete set of related functionalities and provides a structured way to organize and manage these functionalities. Whereas on the other hand, runnable entities are the building blocks within a software component that encapsulate individual pieces of executable codes. Software components contain one or more runnable entities, each associated with a specific trigger or an event. The RTE schedules and manages the execution of runnable entities based on their defined triggers and overall system configuration. Let us consider an example to understand these things better. Consider a software component that handles the management of car's braking system. This software component might include the following runnable entities. Firstly, brake pedal position runnable, which reads the position of the brake pedal and updates the internal state. The next one is brake force calculation runnable. It calculates the required braking force based on the pedal position and other sensor input. And the next one is brake actuation runnable. It sends commands to the brake actuators to apply the calculated braking force. So each of these runnable entities perform a specific task within the overall functionality of the braking system software component. The RTE ensures that these runnable entities are executed at the appropriate time based on the system's configuration and events, such as when the brake pedal position changes or at irregular time intervals. So this was a short detail for our third question. If you want to know more about Autosar related topics, then you can surely check out our Autosar playlist on Linked Frequency. Well, this was part 14 video of Autosar interview question series. I hope you found the video insightful. For any queries, you can surely comment below in the comment section. Until we meet on our next video, happy learning. Tune yourself to make a difference.